Hi, I'm Pam, and welcome back. This is Made by Pam. So, I was doing a video, and go figure, I messed up. I was showing you cleaning the machine. Well, this is a machine that I got from a thrift store, and it seems to be in really good condition, and really nice. It's just dirty. It seems to me that perhaps they got it, used it a couple times, and then they put it away in a storage unit or whatever. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going around and just kind of cleaning it up. So I make it nice and clean. And I kind of have the light on so that I can see a little bit extra. I guess I could turn on my backlight, but I don't want to make it too bright, but maybe that would work. Because I like to have my backlight here on while I'm doing work on machines. I can actually turn this off. I'm going to unplug it, especially since I'm going to be taking it apart and cleaning it. So see, I've unplugged it. This is the cord that it takes. So, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull up my light. Clear off some space here. Sorry about that. And then relocate my brush. So these are cool little brushes that I got. Melissa and Doug brush. They're like, I guess, little paint brushes or whatever. But I got them from a thrift store. Of course, I love thrift store shopping. So I got them from a thrift store. And I like to use them for cleaning my machines. So see, on here, it still had this blue tape on here. So I'm going to go ahead and peel that off. I don't know if that's where the blue tape originally was, if they took it off of somewhere else and then stuck it up there. But anyways, to make it look all nice and shiny. Get all the dust and dirt off of it. So first what we're going to do is we're going to open up this throat plate down here. So I have this little nifty screwdriver. And I actually found it at Joann's. I'm going to lift that up. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change the needle too. Because this is the needle that came with it. Oh my goodness. Mommy! Alright, well, I guess this will have to be a part 2. So stay tuned and I'll be back.